Standing before us is the definitive 1984 Ford F-250 Bullnose, a truck that represents the end of an era of uncomplicated mechanical honesty, presented here in its glorious, restored two-tone livery of bright copper metallic and medium copper metallic. Our walk-around starts with its most iconic angle, the front three-quarter view, where the design philosophy is immediately clear: the broad, flat bullnose front end with its signature three-piece grille, the outer sections wrapping around the vertical rectangular headlights, creating a face of purposeful, square-jawed capability. From a direct frontal perspective, that purpose is further defined by the horizontal grille bars, the four individual sealed beam headlights, and the substantial chrome bumper, a composition of simple, rugged elements built to last. Moving to the driver's side profile, we see the pure, uninterrupted line of the belt running straight from the front fender to the rear of the bed, a hallmark of the generation's no-nonsense, functional design. The rear three-quarter view reveals the truck in a state of ready utility, with the tailgate fully lowered to create a flat loading platform, showcasing the bed's practical design, and the clean rear fender lines, all anchored by the subtle Australian plate NSW 1984F. Looking directly from behind, the focus is on the open bed and its straightforward layout: the down tailgate, the sturdy pillars, and the simple tail lights, a picture of work-ready functionality. The passenger side profile mirrors the driver's side with perfect symmetry, reinforcing the timeless, boxy silhouette that has earned this truck its cult following. To appreciate its sheer presence, a low-angle shot looks up at the front end, emphasizing its commanding stance and rugged, ready for anything attitude. Stepping inside, the open driver's door welcomes us into the warm, durable cabin, finished in a classic tan cloth that has aged beautifully, offering a workspace that is both utilitarian and surprisingly inviting. From the driver's seat, the view is one of beautiful simplicity: a wide, flat dashboard, a two-spoke steering wheel, and a set of clear, analog gauges providing all necessary information at a glance, without complication. A closer look at the front seat highlights the robust texture and endurance of the tan cloth upholstery and the simple, manual controls on the door panel, reminding us of a time of direct mechanical interaction. Centered in the cabin, the manual gear shifter for the 4-speed transmission rises from the floor, a direct, tangible connection to the drivetrain. From this vantage point, the width and spaciousness of the bench seat interior become apparent, a cabin built for long hours and practical comfort. Zooming in, the instrument cluster reveals its finely detailed gauges, with crisp markings and chrome bezels, a small masterpiece of functional design. The wider view from the open passenger door captures the entire, airy cabin bathed in soft showroom light, a serene and honest interior space. Now, opening the hood reveals the heart of this workhorse: the torquey and dependable 5.8-liter Windsor V8 engine, topped with a 4-barrel carburetor, presented in detailed, show-quality condition yet ready for work. Shifting focus to the chassis, a close-up of the front left wheel shows the period-correct 15-inch styled steel wheel with its chrome hubcap, covering the robust suspension built for load-bearing durability. The rear wheel and tire echo this theme, with a deep tread tire mounted on the same styled steel wheel, ready to put power to the ground. From a unique top-down perspective, we see the perfect crew cab proportions: the balanced relationship between the 4-door cabin and the functional bed, a geometric study in utility. Underneath, the front undercarriage view exposes the strong, simple engineering of the I-beam axle and leaf spring suspension, the foundation of its legendary toughness. The rear undercarriage similarly showcases the solid axle and heavy-duty leaf springs, the uncompromising hardware that allowed these trucks to carry immense loads. Finally, we end with an extreme close-up on a defining detail: the headlight and grille assembly, where chrome, glass, and steel meet, This intricate yet straightforward component encapsulates the entire Bullnose legacy, a testament to an era where trucks were built with mechanical honesty, rugged capability, and a timeless, purposeful design that continues to resonate deeply with enthusiasts today.